Okay, let's talk about finance teams. What if yours could do more than just report on what's already happened? What if they could actually help shape the future? We're going to walk through a really practical roadmap for turning your finance function from a cost center into the true strategic heart of your business.
And it all starts with this one simple but incredibly powerful phrase. Imagine we could, in order to. Seriously, this little prompt is the key to unlocking a totally new way of thinking about your business challenges and, the opportunities you might be missing.
Now, this whole approach is built around a framework that's been refined over many, many years by Johan Steyn. He's worked with countless finance leaders and their teams, and his Imagine We Could, in order to method, well, it's been proven time and time again to spark creativity, get everyone on the same page, and deliver real, tangible results. So what's the secret sauce here? What makes it work so well? It's really this perfect balance between dreaming big, like really bold imagination, and then taking focused, practical action. It makes what feels like a massive transformation suddenly seem totally achievable. Look, we all get it. Finance should be the strategic core of any company. But let's be honest, the reality for so many teams is that they're just stuck fighting the same old fires, which really holds them back from making the impact they want to make. So, what are those fires? Well, for starters, you've got fragmented systems. When your data is all over the place, living in different spreadsheets and programs, getting a single, reliable source of truth is, well, it's pretty much impossible. And you absolutely need that to make good decisions.
And then there are all those manual, repetitive tasks. Just think about it, the hours and hours your team sinks into things like reconciliations or processing invoices. That is precious time that could be spent on high-level, strategic work that actually moves the needle.
And all of this leads to one of the biggest roadblocks of all: delayed reporting. How could anyone expect you to be agile and make quick, decisive moves when the financial data you're looking at is already ancient history by the time it gets to you?
So how in the world do you break out of that cycle? Well, it all comes down to a surprisingly simple two-step process.
Okay, step one is all about imagining boldly. You get the team together and there are no constraints, no budgets, no "we can't do that," just pure brainstorming about what the perfect finance function would look like. Then, and only then, do you move to acting decisively. That's where you take those amazing ideas and map them to what the business actually needs, finding the ones that'll make the biggest splash.
And you know what the best part is? The technology you need to make this all happen is probably already sitting right there inside your organization. We're talking about the tools you already have in the Microsoft ecosystem.
Let's break down the two heavy hitters here. Think of Power Automate as your workhorse, right? It's the engine that automates all those repetitive, rules-based tasks. And then you have Copilot for Finance. That's your super smart assistant, giving you AI-powered analysis and insights right where you work.
Let's make this real. With Power Automate, you can set up things like automatically routing invoices for approval, validating expenses, or even reconciling bank statements. It's all about getting that manual busy work off your team's plate for good.
But, okay, let's talk about the bottom line. What does all this actually do for the business? Because, the proof is in the numbers, right?
Get this, a Forrester study found that organizations using the Microsoft Power Platform saw an average return on investment of 224% over just 3 years. That's just a crazy good return.
And the great news is you don't have to wait forever to see those returns. The payback period for putting these automation tools in place is typically less than 6 months. This also creates some serious efficiency. We're talking about a 25% reduction in the time it takes to close the books every single month. Imagine what your team could do with all that time back.
So when you put all this together, it creates a completely new reality for your finance team. It's a fundamental shift in what they do and the value they bring to the entire organization.
Because when you automate all the routine stuff, you free up your finance pros to focus on what humans are best at: interpreting the data, forecasting what's next, and creating real, measurable value. Their job literally transforms from just making sure the numbers are right to providing the strategic intelligence that drives the whole business forward.
So I guess I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Is your finance team currently reporting on the past, or are they ready to start shaping the future? Because with this approach, they really can.